7 games of hoops on a Monday night. You're locked into the one and only Top 10 on NBA.com. At number 10 in Big D, it's D. Will to D. Lee to beat the Clippers. D. Watch it again, a little no look, and sure, that works for number 10. We move on to number 9 now. Same game, different team. Keep your eyes on DeAndre the Giant. He picks the loose ball up on one baseline, goes flying the other way, and end to end to hammer this in. CP3 on the dish, and DeAndre with the finish. That's at number 9. On to number 8, the Spurs in Indiana, and Kawhi Leonard putting on a show with this little circus throw. Don't ask Kawhi, ask how he got that one up and in over the D. That's at number 8. On to number 7, down in the Bayou where Benny McLemore lets fly, but there's a star man waiting in the sky. Don't even try. Dante Cunningham there to deny it, number 7. At 6, Ricky Rubio getting a slice of Kemba, and then another right there. Crossover, it's over as Kemba Walker showing off the handles on Ricky Rubio once and twice, and good try, Ricky Rubio, getting back on that one. On to number 5, back to Indy, and Ty Lawson inventing a new double clutch pass here that was more than a bit lucky to find Rodney Stuckey, who pures that three-pointer for the Indiana Pacers. Look at Lawson just fling it way out there, and you got to make the shot to get in the top 10, and Rodney Stuckey helping us out there at number 5. On to number 4, and this is more conventional. Lawson with the pocket pass to Jordan Hill for the reverse mash. Again, Jordan up and in, and that's at number 4. At number 3, he's at it again, the curve we grade on. DeAndre 3000 with a little reverse love from above for the Los Angeles Clippers. Takes the push, doesn't matter, just throws that one down. On to number 2, LeBron loses the ball, then finds it and stuffs it. Southpaw spike for the King with a little history as well. That's in at number 2. But at number 1, two-time dunk champ Zach LaVine hops on his trampoline and gets obscene. LaVine spinning like a politician on this nifty 360, and the dunk champ lands at number 1 on the NBA.com. Top